I'm excited to share with you one of the prospecting questions I asked on the first meeting with a business owner that helps to close them. And actually, this strategy, this technique I will share in this video will not only help you to close on the meeting, but also this is a small little tip that you can utilize in your sales to actually increase your closing ratio. And actually, this technique that I come up with, because before I used to do, when I was started the agency, I used to do like a free 14 days trial, or 1 month free to deliver, to show the proof that what are my services worth. But then I switch over, and instead of offering too much for free, I switch over to this exact strategy, exact technique that I will show you in this video, that helped me not only save time but actually help me close way more clients, way more deals, because this small tip literally will help you provide value upfront for a client without investing too much your time and 14 days free trial. You don't have guys to do this anymore. This tip will help you a lot, trust me. So with that being said, let's just start with what kind of tips. So whenever I'm right now having a meeting with a prospecting client, let's say with a dealership or any other like cosmetic surgeon or surgeons, whatever client it is, but this tip will also work if you do consulting services or if you sell an SEO services, any type of service. So whenever I'm when the meeting with a client, I have actually write it down for you, and I'm asking a quick question. So let me show you. So the concept behind this question, to offer somebody a plan, a blueprint for free, and then based on that make a close question. And right now I'll explain step by step what kind of question. But normally I ask this type of question. I also has mapping out for you the plan and some questions, so we'll go over in depth with it. So normally I ask a question something like, would you like me to provide for free a digital marketing plan that will double your leads within next 60 days? And usually people say yes, of course, because it's you offer some type of value for free, and they got excited that it can double their leads. And there are different modifications that you can ask depending on the industry, depending on the client. But normally they getting really excited, and whenever you prospect and whenever you having a meeting with the owner, this type of I'm explaining this why it helped build the trust with you, because everybody likes free stuff, so especially when you provide value upfront. So another question you can actually ask, would you like to build for you a digital marketing plan or blueprint for free for your business? This is another question that I usually ask that help actually transition to another question. Or for example, you can say, would you like me to give you a plan that increase your sales by at least 20% in the next 50 to 80 days? And usually they get excited, they say yes, of course. Who wouldn't give, and who wouldn't want to double their sales? And right now we'll transition, and I'll show you exactly. I have mapped out this type of plan that I usually build up for them. But basically it's an outline. It doesn't have to be like a blueprint. Basically it's an outline of steps they need to take to get more leads, or something that they can change within their marketing plan. Another great question I personally ask, can you share with me your digital marketing plan that I can review and suggest some steps? And whenever they hear the question, they usually say, no, we don't really have a marketing plan. And this puts you also in a perspective of a position of power and as an authority, because usually you can actually utilize as a press hub button that they don't have actually a plan, and they feel like they losing the position of power. So you can say, what do you mean you don't have marketing? What do you mean you don't have marketing plan? How are you going to take your business to whatever they want to take if they don't have laid out the plan? Plus, for my surprise, like 90% of people, if you ask these questions that I just told you, they will say no, they don't have. Actually, like only bigger companies have marketing plan, but normally a lot of them don't even have a business plan. So this is a great opening question that will put you in a position of power, and on the same time will help you to press the hot button and show them that and then deliver for free this marketing plan, right? So so when it comes down to this marketing plan or like outline, but I call it more like a blueprint. Basically, you want to either put it like on a spread on a word sheet, just plan by each month what they need to do, the plan to increase the sales, or you can build like some type of this like a funnel. I just did a quick blueprint for you, but basically, as you know, guys, it's just like a funnel. So basically, like an offer that leads to opt-in page with a thank you, with a video, then with the email sequence, right? Email sequence, follow-ups, then the schedule appointment through Calendly or Equity Scheduling, any other software you can use, and other upsell and other offers. So basically, you're laying out for them like a plan, like a funnel, and then you're showing this to them, right? By the way, if you don't want to spend hours of building this template and putting it together yourself, you can actually download this for free under this video. This is going to be the first link. All you need is just put your email and name, and I will send over to you, and then you can literally just print out this blueprint, this template, and show it to your client on the meeting. So it's going to save you so much time. And whenever you have a next meeting, this is actually a great way also to schedule a following up meeting, because on the next meeting you can go over this plan, and this is exactly what's happening in the next meeting. So basically, on the next meeting, when you're showing this plan and they see that, and you actually going through each step of the plan, they get so overwhelmed and surprised that they didn't utilize this. They didn't heard about email marketing or like following up or messenger bots, and they get overwhelmed. And then I usually ask, this is a great closing question, this is what I ask. So I say, are you confident to go with a plan? Are you confident enough to execute on this plan? And they say usually, or I'm saying, is your team or your marketing team can execute on this plan? And like all of the time I hear, no, I don't know what to do with this, right? So then I ask, would you need my help? Would you need my agency help to help you increase 20% in sales, or 20% leads, or 50% more leads each month with this plan? And usually they say, yeah, sure, let's see what you can do. And this is a great guys closing questions, because just by utilizing these questions and providing value upfront, you don't have to offer 14 days trials or 1 month trials, because that's what I was doing back in the days. And then when I switch over to this strategy, it helped me to close more clients and save my time, right? So instead of doing for free, you can not only, because you're providing value, right, building this funnel, but not only that, you can, on top of that, you can build this funnel for them, and then sign them up for affiliate, let's say for affiliate link, if you build it through ClickFunnels, right? And this is going to be your commission as well, like $100. You can, if you get 2 to 3 clients, you can get affiliate commission. And by utilizing this plan, you providing value, you can build a funnel and get paid for that, and in the end of the day, you can get a affiliate commission. And this is guys, will save you so much time, so you will not have to do these free trials. All you need is just take control in the meeting. Ask a specific sales questions. Actually, some of them I'm going over in my course, but this question is phenomenal. It's working all the time. I ask, and all business owners say, no, we don't have any marketing plan or blueprint that we utilize in digital marketing or online marketing. And if whenever you offer for free to build them, you always, who wouldn't say yes? Who wouldn't say no to that? If you're offering, hey, would you like me to build a free marketing plan that will that will double your sales next month. Again, they say yes, of course, let's do that. Okay, and so this is, guys, an amazing technique that you can start implementing in the meetings with the owners, with the managers, and after that, setting up a follow up meeting and closing them. So go out there, test this technique, utilize. I highly recommend to utilize this the question. And this pretty much it for this video. From the past videos, here's the winners for the course, affiliate marketing course. And if you want to win a course, all you need to do is be a subscriber, hit the like button under this video, and comment under this video to be opted in for the next video to win a course. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're crushing this day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come.